What's up, guys? Nick here, and today I'm going to go over my dividend income for the month of May, and let's get started. So on May 2nd, I received a $14.95 dividend from Verizon and a $7.21 from General Mills. And also, quick note, General Mills just increased their dividend by 6%, which is a pretty big increase for them. And so to start the month, that puts me at $22.16. If we go over here to Verizon, you can see I have $1,188.39 with 23.35 shares for an average share price of $58.06. Then next we go to General Mills and I have $1,055.14 for 14.14 shares at an average share price of $58.64. So next up, on May 5th, I received a $16.34 dividend from Jeppy. And since we're here, that puts me at $38.50 for the month. And as you can see, I have $1,929.67 in Jeppy. That is 34.91 shares at an average share price of 61.48. And next up on May 9th, I received a 79-cent dividend from MasterCard, which puts me at $39.29 for the month. And I have $548.20 in MasterCard for 1.7 shares at an average share price of $329.44. So next up, I received a $1.28 dividend from Apple on May 12th. That puts me at $40.57 so far for the month. And I have $806.65 in Apple with 5.94 shares at an average share price of $100.58. So next up, I received quite a lot of dividends on May 13th. $4.48 from Clorox, $3.40 from Colgate, $1.87 from Costco, and then $6.51 from O Realty. And that puts me at the month for $56.83 so far. And Clorox, I have $572.28 for 4 shares at an average share price of $168.34. Next, I have $606.92 in Colgate for 7.6 shares at an average share price of $75.10. Next, I have Costco with $1,227.07 for 2.58 shares at an average share price of $396.39. And then next is Realty Income. I have $1,797.86 for 26.37 shares at an average share price of $62.78. On May 16th, I also received 4 dividends and $16.42 from AbbVie, $3.34 from Hormel, $5.15 from Procter & Gamble, and $5.32 from STAG. This puts me at the halfway through the month at $87.06. So far, this is not a very good month for dividend income. And if I go over here to AbbVie, I have $1,779.23 for 11.64 shares at an average share price of $93.70. Next, I have $609.76 in Hormel for 12.86 shares at an average share price of $46.96. Then next up is Procter & Gamble with $810.88 for 5.7 shares at an average share price of $131.60. And finally, for the 16th, I have STAG with $1,358.35 for 43.69 shares at an average share price of $31.35. Next up, on the 17th, I received an $8.07 dividend from Texas Instruments, which puts me at $95.13 for the month. And I have $1,074.61 in Texas Instruments for 7 shares and an average share price of $161.86. So on the 27th, I received a $12.32 dividend from Nusi, and that will put me at $107.45 for the month. And since we got this far, I'm sure you guys have noticed I did not receive a dividend from QYLD or RYLD in May. So that's why this month is really low. However, the next month, June, will be higher because I'll be receiving 2 dividends from RYLD and QYLD. So moving on to Nusi, I have $1,634.42 for 84.9 shares at an average share price of $27.53. And then finally, on the May 31st, I received a $21.75 dividend from Good, a $7.68 dividend from LTC, and a $2.33 dividend from Walmart. And that ends me on the month at $139.29. So if I go over to Good, I have $3,240.26 for 173.46 shares at an average share price of $18.45. I have $1,546 in LTC for 40.40 shares at an average share price of $36.23. And finally, I have Walmart, $548.72 for 4.5 shares at an average share price of $127.74. So let's look at the dividend growth chart. As you can see, in May, I only earned $139.21 in 2020, which barely beats May 2021 of $112.75. And I want to say that May 2021, I still owned AT&T. But all right. So I want to show you guys this number right here, the 0.077. That is taking my dividend income for May and divided it by my expenses. So I spent $1,807.41 in May of 2022. I'm not quite sure why I spent that much money, but it's a lot of money. So that's why my dividends only paid for 7%. Well, 7.7% of the month. And then this number right here, I took 4 weeks in May, 40 hours per week, added that together to get 160 hours. And I divided that by my dividend income for May to get $1.14 an hour, or almost $1.15 an hour if my dividend income was my only income. And as you can see with this green bar, that is my total dividend income for the year, $1,123.87. And then the yellow bar is my average monthly dividend income, taking the green divided by 12. So right now, if I stopped earning dividends, I would have earned an average of $93.66 per month. And guys, that is the end of the video. So I will see you next month, and thank you for watching.